Hi class, let me make more videos for the homeworks for chapter 7. Chapter 7 is about bond pricing, and there are some ways you can work out the problems of bond pricing. One way is like the easy way. You can go to my website and look for the bond calculator. So you see bond pricing calculator under calculator. You click on this one. So you see this is a calculator, and so you can read the instruction. So the here you need to be careful, and there's a choice for either semi-annual or annual. This means the coupon annual means the coupon is paid once a year. If it's semi-annual and the bond coupon is paid twice a year. Most of the time, a company's coupon is paid twice a year. So semi-annual coupon bond is the normal way for the bond coupon paid. Okay, so you can use this one. And this is like if you want to calculate the price, you click on price, and just like the time value of money, and the question like you try to figure out are the one listed. You just click on that one so you can find it. Another way is you can use Excel. The Excel command is listed in class website. Go to jufinance.com, and then so you find the class link. So here it is, Fin 510 and 509 on campus class, and the class is taught every Monday night. So I'll record it and post the class videos online too. So you click on this one, so you will see the Excel equations. This is Excel equations to figure out the bond price, and you use the PV function. See here, to figure out the yield to maturity or return to bondholders, you use the rate function. And so also, like there's a difference between if it's a semi-annual coupon bond or it's an annual coupon bond. So the differences are not much, but you just need to be careful. This is the Excel functions. You can use Excel. You see, either use the most common ones, PV, to find the price, rate function to find out the returns to the bondholders. So these are the common ones. Most of the time, like we will be using. Of course, you can also use PM2 to figure out the coupon. Use Ampere to figure out how long for this bond to mature. Okay, and but those are not so common. Most of the time, you want to know how much the bond is selling for, and also what kind of returns you can get from your investment in bond. So these are the two common ones. And the payment is just coupon. Coupon should be defined in the bond contract, so it shouldn't be like unknown to you. Also, how long the bond will be matured is also one of the factors clearly defined in the contract. So most of the time, as investors, you don't need to figure out these information should be given to you. So these are the basic informations. Now we can you can use the mass equation. See, you can also find the mass equation in my website. So P stands for this equation is to calculate the bond price. P stands for the bond price. C stands for the coupon. I stands for the return to the bondholder. M is the par value. Always just use the $1,000 for M or principal. So you see, this is a quite complicated equations, math equations. You have to be careful with the orders of the calculation. Which one should be calculated first? You need to be very careful. So I don't recommend you to use the equation. You see, this is a simple way to write down the equation. This is the same thing here. So this is a bond pricing, and if you want to use this bond pricing equation to figure out the return, so there's no equation for the return, a mass equation. So you need to use the same equation, but since you know the bond price, you need to work reversely to figure out how much is this I. Since this is very difficult, so you have to just try for example, you think I should be 10%, so you try 10%. If it's too high, you reduce the number to a lower one or increase it. So there's it's if you want to work out those problems using math, you need to spend a lot more time than simply using the rate function in Excel to get the yield, using the PV function to get the bulk price. Now let's go back to the homework questions to get familiar with like how to work out these problems. Well, this is the first video, and I will make another one for the homework. Thank you for watching.